Takbo na, nandiyan yung ulan. Bilis, bilis, Ken. Takbo na, nandiyan yung ulan. Bilis, bilis.
Ayan, wala kasing vacant. May nahanap tayong isang vacant dito. We have to grab this. That's how beautiful it is. As you can see, low tide lang at saka yun nga, maulan nga dito sa Palawan. Ngayon lang huminto yung ulan, ano. So, ayan. Daming establishments kasi this is owned by Ayala daw. So, alam mo naman pag mga Ayala, ano, di ba? Projects. Ayan, wala kasing vacant. May nahanap tayong isang vacant dito. We have to grab this. Let's go. Ayan. Let's have some duyan-duyan. Duyan-duyan is life, ma'am. Duyan-duyan is life.
Pero kang walaw.
So we'll go to that area, guys, yung pinakadulo doon. Doon. Let's have some picture taking there. Guys, let's go! So from there, we're here, going there. Low tide lang, pero tingnan mo naman gaano kaano yung buhangin, di ba? Gaano kapino pa rin yung buhangin. At saka masama nga yung panahon dito sa Palawan. Ayun guys, so may sumisilip na, dumudumaw na yung araw. Tapos mamaya yan, ulan na naman. So dito na sa dulo na area. Tapos na tayo mag-picture-picture. Ayan, siguro we'll just have to prep. Go back there and prep. Para makapag-swimming dun sa beach. Let's go! So dito na tayo sa dulo, guys. Look at that. Of course, ayan. Dito, right? As you can see. Ayan. And then there. And I just want to say happy birthday to me! Oh guys, I told you, di ba? After sumilip ng araw, ayan ay ulan. Parating na dito. Look at that, oh. Look at that. Oh, yung mamuti-muti. Papunta dito. Takbo na tayo. Let's go!
Takbo na, nandiyan yung ulan. Bilis, bilis, Ken. Takbo na, nandiyan yung ulan. Bilis, bilis. Takbo na, nandiyan yung ulan.
Can open the umbrella, the big one. Yan, the big one. Open. Yan. Go, Rob. Bawal.